Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of the news. I'm still in my office trying to figure out a way to get back out there. And I think I have a couple ideas, so stay tuned. I think you might like it. But without further ado, let's just get right into this. Starting things off, have you ever not really agreed with the color choices that a manufacturer puts out? Ford understands this, and Ford has actually put out something new called the WRAP program, the Ford WRAP program. Take a look at this. So basically what happens is, the video laid it out pretty simply for you. You go onto Ford's website, you design a wrap that you want it to look like, you send it to a certified wrap installer on Ford's behalf, and then you get your car back, and it's all done through Ford. So this is absolutely phenomenal. This video is not really the best option because he makes it black. You know, he skimmed past matte yellow and matte purple, which both would look amazing on a Bronco, but you know, whatever, that's not the point. The point is that Ford is supplying enthusiasts with the means to really create their own vision for their vehicle, which is phenomenal. I don't see anybody else doing this. People might follow suit, but I mean, I can't wait to see what people do with some of this stuff. The new 2024 Mustang with some of those options, phenomenal. The WRAP does have a 2-year factory warranty, apparently, this allegedly, which is really, really cool, which means Ford is really just, you know, fully standing behind the enthusiasts that buy their vehicles. So I'm here for it. Let us know down in the comments what you think about a Ford WRAP program. The 2024 Mustang is going to follow in its predecessor's footsteps for many reasons, but one main reason being it will have a literal boatload of aftermarket parts and accessories and support. Now, obviously, right off the bat, Ford Performance has released a supercharged kit that will put 800 horsepower under the hood of your new pony car. But if that's a little too tame for you, a company by the name of Hellhorse will sell you a twin turbo kit for $14,000 that is rated for 1,650 horsepower. Wow. So if you want your brand new 2024 Mustang to put out the same horsepower as a Koenigsegg, talk to these guys, because damn, 1,600 horsepower, that's a lot. We're here for it though. And this car just came out, and it's supposed to have 8 years of support behind it. So this is just the beginning. So I can't wait to see what people do with that. Hopefully they're responsible, but other than that, go for it. Go for it. We're here for it. Let us know down in the comments what you think about a 1,600 horsepower Mustang. Shelby Performance has gotten their hands on the new F250, and they have made a Baja Shelby version of it. It is an absolute monster. So it has 475 horsepower, but who cares about horsepower when you're doing the Baja? What you care about is torque, and this has 1,050 of them. That's pretty wild. It has an insane Fox Performance suspension system. It's got custom wheels with the snake on it. Everybody loves that snake logo. It is absolutely fantastic. Completely redone interior with all the badging. And obviously the signature Baja, you have those extra tires in the back for when inevitably something goes wrong. So let us know what you think about the Shelby Baja F250, and whether you could see yourself driving that around here, around Calgary, and you know how useful that would be in the wintertime, when you're just driving on the shoulder down Deerfoot when everybody else has been in an accident. Let us know down in the comments what you think about that. It's quite an intense truck, and it is very specific. You have to be a niche buyer to buy something like this. You either have to want to compete or just have a lot of money, because something like this is not it's not a daily driver. You know what I mean? But we're still here for it. We love to see the support that all these other companies are putting through Ford, because I think everybody else is realizing that Ford is really putting the backing into enthusiasts, into motorsports, into all of these programs that people love to see. And at the end of the day, there's not a lot of people doing this anymore. Toyota, I'd say, they have their GR line, which is a great line. Hyundai, weirdly enough, their N line is filled with pretty good looking cars, and obviously they're putting the support behind it. But let us know down in the comments what you think other companies are doing for enthusiasts out there, because with the Corvette is a little bit unattainable these days, and Dodge has gotten mostly rid of their programs. So who else is doing this kind of stuff that's attainable, that you can actually, you know, get your hands on a Mustang for not $1 million and then go race it? So let us know. I'm interested to see what you guys think about other companies being enthusiast based. Other than that, we're done for the day. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and we will see you next week.